Hey guys, welcome back to Cara's Cakes. This week I'm going to be talking about some last minute stocking stuffers. There's only 5 days left until Christmas, and if you're one of those people who leave everything to the last minute, you can find these things pretty easily. These are all great ideas for people who like to bake and work in the kitchen. Before I get going, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos from me. And if you do like this video, give it a big thumbs up. So getting right into the gifts, the first thing I would recommend getting somebody would be spatulas. So there's all different kinds of spatulas and they come in all different price ranges. So these are pretty readily available. I saw a really cute set at the Bulk Barn that came in like an oven mitt, and that's a really cute gift idea. You can get different types of spatulas anywhere, and it's really nice to get someone all different sizes of spatulas. If you're like me and you bake a lot, these get dirty, and when this one is dirty, you need another one, so you can never have too many spatulas. Another thing that's a great gift is a good quality scoop. So I think you can get these if you live in the Sydney Glace Bay area out at J.R. Mahoney's. This is a great kitchen scoop, and it makes a really good stocking stuffer. I use these to scoop out cupcakes, so they're all the same size, or if you're trying to make all 3 of your cake layers the same size. Another great gift idea is piping tips. I have a great video above about piping tips and how to use them, so go ahead and watch that. It's really nice to have a variety, and you can also never have too many of these because when one is dirty, you need another one. Piping tips make a good stocking stuffer because they're so small and easy to wrap. You could also get a couple of them for pretty cheap and put them in someone's stocking. Try to get bigger piping tips if the person you're buying for is into decorating cakes and cupcakes. If they are into decorating cookies, definitely get them smaller piping tips. Another thing is measuring spoons. My sister got me these for Christmas one year and they hold up really nice. They're a pretty rose gold color, and I do have a bunch of measuring spoons because, again, when you're in the middle of baking and you have a lot to bake, these end up in the sink to wash, and instead of washing these and wasting time, you can grab another set. And bakers would definitely appreciate another set of these. Another idea would be cookie cutters. You could get them some Christmas cookie cutters or some basic cookie cutters. I've had this one since pastry school, so it's probably at least 6 years old. And this one, it's kind of rusted and stuff, but I use them a lot. They're just the basic circle cutters, and it comes in this nice case. You can buy circle cutters at Michael's or Bulk Barn, or you can buy them at the dollar store even. So I would recommend getting a nice basic cookie cutter set. A really fun stocking stuffer idea would be sprinkles. You can buy really fancy sprinkles at Michael's or Bulk Barn. This is a great thing to get somebody who's into baking because it's just fun to top any cupcake or cake with some sprinkles. The Sweeta Polita sprinkles are more on the higher price range, but you can get these at Bulk Barn. You can also get more inexpensive ones at Michael's from the Wilton brand, and it may seem a little pricey, but you do get a lot of sprinkles. Like, I've used a lot of these, and it doesn't look like I've used that many, but this would be like your middle price range. And then you can find some at Winners as well. So if you have a Winners near you, go to the baking section. I got these ones at Winners and they were only $3.99. So I've used these a bunch for like mermaid themed cakes, and it's probably only down this far. But as you can see, it was $3.99. So check out your Bulk Barn or Michael's or Winners, and you could definitely get your hands on some really nice sprinkles. Last but not least, every baker needs an apron, and I have a ton of aprons, but I love getting them as gifts. You can get someone a simple apron like this. These are literally the aprons that came with my culinary school kit, and this was probably back in 2010. So this apron is 10 years old, and I have bleached it so it's kind of brown and not black anymore, but I love these aprons. They're from the brand Chef's Hat. You can even get Christmassy aprons this time of year. So it's always nice to get a nice Christmas apron. I think my mom got me this one last year. The last few years she's gotten me a Christmas apron, and it has little stripes up top and then holly berries down the bottom. I normally wear my aprons like this and just wear them around my waist and not covering up the top unless it's something really messy. If you would rather like a skirt style apron, you can always fold it down under. So there's lots of places to buy aprons around, and they fold up super nice, and you're able to wrap it or pop it in a stocking. Alright, so that's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. I upload videos every Sunday. Thanks so much for watching. Merry Christmas.